this lesson, we're going to add something else. So we did this cool animation headline here. So let's go over, add another element, and we're gonna add a blurb. Now with the blurb, this is your heading. This is like a news blurb. So we're gonna put in Quix is the best page builder in the world. So now we've put that, you can choose the message that you put, and you can be able to scroll down. You can have that link. What do you want to link this to? You can put you can link it there, and you can choose the setting. Do you want this to open in a new window or add no follow? No follow meaning that the search engines will really follow this. So you can scroll down to the image and the icon. So I'm just gonna choose something here. So I've chosen an image of this dog as the blurb headline and double click on there. So now this is what you see. And I can add the alt text. Alt text are really good. Dog raising hand. Caption, dog raising hand. All right, so you have that there. Now you go over to the style. How do you want it to be? You can move the text over to the right. You can move it over this way. You can have it at the bottom. It's up to you again to just have fun with this, man. It's just nothing but just fun. And you can blur the background if you want to have that. You can choose to hover. You scroll down to blur the type. Let's choose solid. And you can choose to blur the pixel. So you see right there, I have a solid and it's blue. I can change that to different colors. If I don't want the solid, I click on double. Now it's double. And then for the content, where do you want the content to be? Wherever you click, let me move this over. You can drag this over here. Wherever you click, that's how the content is going to be laid out. And then for the title, I can change the title color. And then for the title, when someone hovers over it, I can change that to, you see that? Change it to something else in the typography. Let me see here. What do I want? I can choose something like that. And then for the body text, the same thing again. You can change the color for the body text. Maybe you want it to match, your particular site. And then the same thing as before, the transform, you can choose, you want it to be uppercase, it's gonna do that. So instead of you having to type everything uppercase, you just type it normally, then you choose capitalize, uppercase, and it's going to do that for you, which is incredible. Italics. So as you can see, I'm just having fun with this, man. Just going through here. Need to be able to have some, cool music playing in the background you design, and that's what I typically do. So as you can see, you go through here with the journal, with the blurb, have fun and make it your own.